It's an emergency. I need your car.
Okay, now open the crate and pick up the contents. Okay, now shoot the dummies. Stay behind the white line and don't use more than 20 shots to kill all the dummies. Okay, now obliterate the targets. It's okay to walk up to the dummies and put the grenade down next to them, as long as you're behind the white line by the time the grenade explodes. Okay, now nuke the dummies to the south. Stay behind the white line and don't use more than 6 grenades to kill all the dummies. Nice one, have 20,000 points. You finished the mission, but you didn't get all the targets, so you don't get the extra 25 grand. Get back to the phones for some more missions. The boss wants to check if you're fast enough to be a getaway driver. Get in the limo parked in the Westin car park. Drive carefully, because the car will slow down if it's badly damaged. Okay, now head to the first chapter. The timer will start then. Go!